Have you ever found yourself looking at the mirror and wondering, I need to change things up a little bit? Whether you're someone who's trying to find their personal style or someone who wants to elevate their current style, you have landed at the right video. I'm going to be talking about how you can elevate your look from 0 to 100 without spending a fortune or even hiring a personal stylist, because what am I here for? So sit back, relax, and let's chat about how you can feel and look your absolute best every single day. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Number one is wear all black. Now, a lot of you might say it's a fashion cliche, but there's a reason why it's a classic. First off, it's not just easy to wear something black, but it instantly elevates your look to the chic status. So why does this color work so well? First off, black creates an optical illusion, so it smooths out your imperfections and actually makes you look slimmer than you are. No wonder we all feel so confident in black, right? But that's not it. Black is such a versatile color. You can literally mix and match so many outfits when you're wearing black, and you can also add a pop of color to your black outfit because it's literally like a blank canvas, and anything that you add will elevate your outfit. So that was my tip number one. Tip number two is wearing a monochromatic look. Now, a lot of you might say, isn't that just a fancier word of saying wearing the same color from head to toe? Well, it kind of is, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. The key here is to play around with different shades of the same color family, mixing textures and patterns that look put together and are elegantly cohesive. What I mean is that try and create an outfit that has different textures, has a lot of depth, and is interesting to look at. So you could probably wear different shades of pink or different shades of green or different shades of, say, white that could be mixed with grey. The idea is to put together an outfit that makes someone look at you and think, wow, they put so much effort into putting together that outfit. But in all honesty, creating a monochromatic look is the easiest because all you have to do is pick pieces of the same color family. Tip number three is focusing on your jewelry. Now, you may be a fan of wearing big hoops or chunky necklaces or statement bracelets, statement earrings, but the key here is to pick up pieces that complement your outfit and reflect your personal style. It's all about finding that sweet spot between just enough and a little extra. And also, don't forget about watches. It's a classy timepiece that adds a bit of sophistication to any outfit, so pick one that matches your vibe. Tip number four is carrying a structured bag. And why specifically a structured bag? Because it adds that touch of sophistication to any outfit, be it a pair of jeans and a white basic t-shirt, or if you're dressed up really formally for an event, just carrying a structured bag along with you will make you look like you've got your act together. Trust me, people will wonder. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. You can either go for a classic black, a bold red, or even a chic pastel shade. The choice is absolutely yours. It's all about expressing your style and whatever makes you feel more confident. The cherry on top here is that structured bags usually come with intricate details like metallic hardware, metallic chains that really add more to your outfit. So even if you're accessorizing it not too much, the bag itself is such a great accessory for you. My tip number five is that little things make all the difference. For example, rolling up your sleeves adds that casual, cool touch to your outfit, be it rolling up your blazer, your shirt, or even a cozy sweater. It just elevates your outfit with that little difference that you make to it. Secondly, tucking in your shirt. Now, there's so many ways to tuck in your shirt. I've done a complete video on this as well. There's a French tuck, there's a half tuck, there's a back tuck. You can either leave it untucked from one side and keep it tucked on the other. So just experimenting every now and then and changing up the way you tuck in your shirt would also make a huge difference, even though it's a very little tiny move that you make. Another fun example is to cuff your jeans, which basically means rolling up your jeans or any trousers at the bottom. This gets the attention towards the footwear or any socks or sandals that you might be wearing. So it makes your outfit look a lot more fun. People pay more attention to details into your outfit. The whole idea of this tip is to take your outfit from boring and expected to elevated and unexpected. Next tip is about smelling expensive. Now, have you ever wondered that some people just smell very luxurious and very expensive, and that's because they have their signature fragrances. Scents like jasmine, sandalwood, vanilla, they are kind of associated to luxury, so try and pick out perfumes that have these notes or ingredients. Plus, you also have to apply your perfume very strategically. You have to apply it on your pulse points like wrists, neck, behind the ears. This makes a huge difference, and first thing that anyone usually notices when they meet you is your fragrance, so use that to make a long-lasting impression. Some of the examples that I can give you for such perfumes is the one that I've used. I've used two of Lancome. I'm going to show it to you guys on the screen. Chanel No. 5 is obviously a classic fragrance, but if you don't want to spend too much, Zara has some really good ones at affordable prices. The one that I use is called Red Temptation, so I'm going to leave down the link for you guys. Tip number 7 is to always have a no makeup look. Maybe not always, but at least 90% of the time have that makeup look. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and just keeping it super subtle and fresh. So maybe just a tinted moisturizer or a concealer, groomed eyebrows, mascara, and a little bit of color on your lip will make all the difference. The goal is to feel your best self without feeling like you've thopoed a lot of makeup. Remember that less is always more. I've actually done a couple of videos on this, so you can check those out. Moving on to tip number 8, which is adding a blazer to your outfit. Whether you're going to office or a date night, adding a blazer will just add that touch of sophistication and elevate your outfit 100%. So pick one that suits you the best. You can either go for something classic like a black blazer, or you can try something bold and wear a pop color like a pink blazer or a red blazer. Now, the magic of a blazer lies completely at the fact that it can instantly elevate your outfit, and rolling up the blazer sleeves is a hack that you should always keep handy. And let's not forget, blazers can make you feel like a boss. That structured look adds that sophistication and really elevates your confidence as well, and makes you feel like you're in power. So always have a blazer in your wardrobe. And my last tip is about having good posture. Now, this does not require to shop for new clothes or build a new wardrobe. It's generally the freest thing that you can ever do to yourself to elevate your look, and that is having a good posture. When you notice that you have a bad posture, you'll realize that clothes don't suit you that well, silhouettes don't hit the part of your bodies the right way. So instead of slouching and sitting like this, try and straighten your shoulders up, put your chin back, head up, hips out, and try and always have a good posture. I also tend to just like slouch a lot of times when I'm sitting, but I've consciously tried to make an effort to sit upright, stand upright, walk upright, and I know that it makes a huge difference. Always have your shoulders stretched back and your chest out. And honestly, it's going to make all the difference between blending in and standing out in the crowd. You know, ultimately, it's not about what you wear, but all about how you wear it. So I hope this video and my tips that I shared in this video are going to be helpful for you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below how you felt about this video and what you want to watch next. Until then, I'm gonna sign off, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Also follow me on Instagram in case you're not already. I do make a lot of fun content there. So that's it. I will see you guys soon. Bye.